Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggs with chorizo, step by step. This classic dish is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick dinner. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite chorizo, 6 large eggs, 1 small onion, and 1 bell pepper. Don't forget a tablespoon of olive oil plus salt and pepper to taste. Let's get cooking. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's get started with the star of the show, the chorizo. Heat a large non-stick skillet over medium heat for about 2 minutes. Add about 8 ounces of chorizo to the hot pan, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. You'll want to cook it for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until it's beautifully browned and cooked through. Remember to drain any excess fat, leaving just that wonderful, savory flavor in the pan. With the chorizo perfectly cooked, it's time to add some fresh vegetables and, of course, the eggs. Add your diced onion and bell pepper to the pan with the chorizo. Sauté these for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become tender and slightly translucent. While they cook, whisk 6 large eggs in a separate bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper. Then, pour the whisked eggs directly into the pan, stirring gently to incorporate them with the chorizo and vegetables. This creates a wonderful, flavorful base. We're almost there. Continue cooking the egg mixture for about 2 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally until the eggs are set to your preferred consistency. Whether you like them soft and creamy or a bit firmer, keep an eye on them. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat and let it rest for just 1 minute. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your delicious eggs with chorizo immediately, perhaps with warm tortillas, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.